What is the biggest return on investment for 2024 going onwards? I've been pondering this conversation in my head for quite a while, and I think I've come to a conclusion. Stocks, cryptos, properties, I don't think they are the best return investment for the next 10 years. When I say the best, I'm talking about the next 10 and 100x. Stocks have been fluctuating, crypto is booming, going mad. Properties have gone down, but it's still so expensive to afford, and trying to get even a 2-3x is absolutely difficult. I came across one really wise man. It coincides with what I'm thinking. Okay, in the 1900s, the best wealth creation is really labor. Build a company, bring people in to build, and that's where you get big, huge companies in the 1900s. And then going forward, post 1900, it's all about having capital. Capital inject into companies, scale and grow. That's the way companies have been growing the last 120 years. And then think about it, the last 20 years and 2000 going forward, what's the best way to grow wealth? It's actually coding. Coding, Google, Facebook is all behind, driven by coding. And even sitting here at 23, watching over 24 going onwards with the generative AI, large language model, I think those are the biggest place to put your money and let it grow. What makes it even better? It feels like when the dot-com just came out. The rush for gold and where we are now. So living as an engineer, over 40 plus, saying, oh, I don't code, I don't write, I'm an engineer. Your job might be killed soon. Your children will be coming into the labor job market in the next, 10, 20 years? Are you prepared for this gap? So I'm taking on a mission myself to actually build and start to learn code. I mean, for me, the last time I code was really JavaScript, C++, MATLAB back when I was in university. And when you come out, it's all about pure engineering. But going forward, I'm actually thinking for my current work, what we can do with AI, large language model, machine learning, neural networks. How can we apply? Because now we've got the suitable hardware for it, the suitable environment. Now the mindset of this managers and bosses and owners are coming about saying, what can we do? So that's why going forward, I think this is the biggest, the build. Even in Christmas, over Christmas, I got so bored. A week off, ate too much. You know what I did? I built 2 websites. No code website to start off. I built my family.investment website, link here, and also I bought my buy trigger. I bought the whole entire, and I no code built it up. But behind it, there was some Python, some calculation that's behind it to build this code. So buy trigger, go and say this is where I put my journal and put my technical analysis, my buy trigger information, and then I use some large language model to tweak a social media manager to help me get my articles up the way I want it, to help me speed up my process. This website, if before, I would have cost me at least £1,000 each to get WordPress and somebody to buy it and help me run, trim, SEO content, at least £1,000 before I get it running. And guess what? I spent on bullet.so, Notion, both I spent under 100 quid and get 2 websites going, and also my subscription to ChatGPT to help me get things going. So this is surprising. So going forward, Python, web app, many more that can keep going, not just for my own personal project, but also at work. Even going crazy, what Jeff Bezos says, to keep your business going is how it can kill your existing job. So in fact, I'm building an electrical instrument control engineer bot that could replace me, because at the end of the day, I need to start moving on. I cannot do the same job again and again when machine learning can do my job. So things like this are thinking. So when you go back to your work tomorrow or next week or next year, think about what machine learning, what automation can help replace your day job so that you can take your time and do something else. So this is me for my short spill of what I think going forward, the biggest ROI from here going forward. We can invest in NVIDIA, we can invest in AMD, but the real biggest ROI is really coding, building new premises for the better future for tomorrow, and also to help to guide your kids on what to do as well. So this is me on my spill, just after Boxing Day, going to 2024, the biggest ROI that you can think of. I think something for you guys to ponder, sit, and think about what will be the next big thing. Thank you, have a good day.